Welcome to my new office. All right, so obviously this is a shared space, but it is where I have been working and where I'll continue to work this month while I'm living right here in Seattle. Now, this is Gabe's office. It's actually inside our apartment. We partnered with Hello Landing. I'll tell you all about that in just a second, but you guys know him and you guys know me. He needs that desk. He needs that same place every week in, week out, where he knows where everything is. And me, on the other hand, you guys know I need an open space. I need to be switching where I'm sitting every hour. I need the sun. I need a view. That is what inspires me. So it's literally like it was meant to be. Each place designed for both of us. Are you more like him or are you more like me? Now to the good stuff, and probably what you're wondering right now. Why are we in Seattle and how did we even get here? Honestly, my dream has always been to work and be able to travel long-term, and that's when we found out about who Hello Landing even was. Hello Landing is basically a network of furnished apartments all over the United States, meaning you pull up with your luggage, only with your clothes, and that's it. You feel at home from day one. And honestly, this is a complete pinch me moment because out of tons of creators, we were chosen to experience Hello Landing, and of course, I had to share it with you. The coolest part for us and why we were so hooked on trying Hello Landing is because you can stay for as little as you want or as long as you want. And then when you're ready to go, boom, you hop over to any of their furnished apartments in any city in the US. So I've loved it. It works making remotely super easy, and you get to travel and see a new city at the same time. And guess what, guys? It doesn't stop just there. Trust me, pinch me moment on another pinch me moment, because very soon at the end of the month, we're packing our bags again. And this time we're headed to a new continent, a continent we've never even been to before. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for what that office even looks like. Trust me, you don't wanna miss out.